Hello and welcome. In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to set your Samsung keyboard so that it doesn't automatically capitalize the first letter of every sentence. This feature is helpful if you prefer lowercase typing styles, especially for usernames, passwords, or creative writing. Let's get started. First, unlock your Samsung phone and go to the Settings menu. You can do this by swiping down from the top of your screen and tapping the gear icon, or by finding Settings from your app drawer. Once you're inside the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on General Management. This section controls your language, keyboard, and input settings. Next, tap on Samsung Keyboard Settings or simply Keyboard Settings, depending on your phone model. Tap on More Typing Options. Now look for the option that says Alt Capitalize. Tap on the switch next to it to turn it off. Once disabled, your keyboard will stop capitalizing the first letter of every sentence automatically. Now, go back to any typing field, like a Notes app, browser, or message, and start typing. You'll notice that the first letter remains lowercase, unless you manually press the Shift key. And that's it. You've successfully turned off automatic capitalization on your Samsung keyboard. This gives you more control over how you type, especially if you want everything to stay in lowercase. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, or share this guide. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.